𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗂𝗧𝗏. Etymology can get really funny. I don't know if you heard what I just said, but if you did, you're going to feel weird about this because that's how the word porcupine really makes me feel. The word porcupine has pork. Pork, as you might now understand, means pig. Pine comes from spine. Spine, as in cacti, have spines, right? Spine means needles or pointy things. And therefore, a pig that has, well, pointy, pokey spines is called a porcupine. Did you know that? My guess is that you did not. If you did not, you should start actively looking out for that refund policy of your school, because you know what? There is so much romance in studying things, in knowing things, in discovery of knowledge, that if you did not feel like this every single day in school, you've been robbed of one of the most precious experiences that is possible to humankind. The Logophilia Winter program is coming up. You can study with us. You can study with this guy. You can study etymology with people who know language like nobody else does. Read the description below to find out how you can be a part of the Logophilia Winter program.